Hey, if you're watching this, there's a good chance you're looking for a way to make $100 a day from the comfort of your home. Maybe you're tired of commuting. Maybe you're a parent, a student, or just want that extra income without a 9-to-5. Good news, in 2025, working from home isn't just possible, it's never been easier. So in this video, I'm breaking down real strategies that can help you hit that $100/day mark. Even if you're starting with zero experience, no fancy tech, and just a laptop or smartphone. These aren't get-rich-quick gimmicks. These are practical ways to stack income from home, whether you want to hustle hard or keep it simple. Let's get into it. 1. Freelance gigs on Fiverr. First up, Fiverr. It's one of the fastest ways to get paid for simple skills. And no, you don't need to be a pro designer or developer. In 2025, people are getting paid for creating Canva templates, writing AI prompts, doing voiceovers, writing social media captions, captioning short-form videos, editing resumes. Start by choosing a micro-niche you're comfortable with. Don't overthink it. Deliver gigs, and once approved, you can withdraw your money using Payoneer or direct deposit, some same day. Pro tip: price low to start, like $10, $20. And once you get reviews, raise your rates. Doing 5 quick $20 gigs a day? That's $100. 2. Remote customer support platforms like Mod Squad, LiveOps, and Arise are hiring people to work from home, answering emails, managing live chats, or handling basic phone calls. This is perfect if you're good with people and have decent internet. Many jobs pay $15, $20 an hour, and shifts are flexible. That means as little as 5-6 hours a day can hit your $100 goal. And the best part? You can work in your PJs. No commute, no small talk. Just plug in your headset and get paid. Some platforms offer instant or next-day payouts, especially for hourly contract roles. 3. Selling digital product. Next. One of the most scalable ways to earn from home, selling digital products. You can create and sell things like digital planners, Notion templates, prompt-packed ebooks, resume kits, workout guides. Platforms like Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, and PayHip let you list your products and earn money every time someone buys, even while you sleep. Create once, sell forever. If your product is priced at $10, you only need to sell 10 a day to hit your goal. Use Pinterest, TikTok, or Reddit to drive traffic for free. This is passive income in real time. 4. Affiliate marketing. Let's talk affiliate marketing. This is where you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale. You don't need a huge following. You just need the right platform and audience. Here's how to get started. Sign up for free programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Impact Pick products you already use or believe in. Make TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Explaining or reviewing them, include your affiliate link in your bio or captions. Each time someone buys through your link, you get paid. A single product might earn you $5, $25. Get 4 or 5 conversions a day? That's $100. Pro tip: focus on digital tools or software. The commissions are way higher than physical items. 5. AI tools plus services. Here's a 2025 twist. Use AI to work smarter. You don't need to be an AI expert to make money with tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Canva AI. You can offer services like blog writing with AI content repurposing, turn blog into tweets, etc. Video script writing, prompt creation, slide deck creation. Clients don't care how you do the work. They care about results. You can offer these services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even DM small businesses on Instagram. Charge $30, $50 per gig, deliver fast using AI, and hit your $100 goal in just 2-3 tasks. Next, microtasks plus apps. Next, microtasking. It's not glamorous, but apps like TaskRabbit, GigWalk, Field Agent, and ClickWorker pay you to do small jobs. Take a photo of a product in a store, run errands, write short surveys, test websites, assemble furniture. Many of these tasks pay $10, $25 each, and you can pick them up on your own schedule. If you're stacking a few of these a day, especially locally, it adds up fast. Bonus: many of these pay same day, cash, Venmo, or direct deposit. 7. Hustle stacking strategy. Here's where it gets powerful: stacking multiple hustles. Let's say your day looks like this. Morning, 2 hours of Fiverr gig work, $40 midday. Upload digital product sales from Gumroad, $20. Afternoon, 1 customer support shift, $30. Evening. Scan receipts or finish a quick task equals sign $10. That's your $100, and you didn't leave your house. You don't need to go all in on one hustle. Mix and match 2-3 based on your skills and schedule. Once you get in the rhythm, you'll start seeing patterns, what works, what pays fastest, and what feels easiest for you. That's when you level up. $100 a day becomes $150, then $200. So there you have it. 7 real ways to make $100 a day from home in 2025. No fluff, no scams, just real strategies that work if you do. If you made it this far, drop A in the comments so I know you're serious about building your income. Which hustle are you trying first? Let me know. I respond to every comment. And hey, if you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more side hustle content and share this with someone who needs to hear it. You've got the tools. You've got the time. Now make your money work for you from home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey there! If you've made it this far, you're probably eager to start earning. Remember, the key is to tailor these strategies to suit your unique skills and lifestyle. Most importantly, stay consistent. Whether you dedicate just a few hours each week or ramp up to full-time hustling, your success hinges on your commitment and enthusiasm. The beauty of these methods is that they can grow with you. Adapt them and combine them strategically. So as you embark on this journey to make $100 a day, keep these fundamental principles in mind. First, start small. Success often builds over time, and each small win will motivate you to pursue larger goals. Secondly, engage with communities both online and offline. They can provide support, tips, and inspiration. Lastly, always be open to learning and adapting. Market needs change, and flexibility can lead to greater opportunities. With determination and the right approach, you'll not only achieve your goal, but also discover newfound confidence and independence in your financial life. If you're looking to dive deeper into these opportunities, remember that experimentation is part of the journey. Trying out different hustles will not only help you uncover your strengths, but also guide you toward the avenues that resonate most with you. Stay patient as you explore. The road to success is rarely straight, but with persistence, you'll find the best routes to income generation that align with what you enjoy doing. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your progress along the way. With this mindset, making money from home will become an empowering experience, unlocking doors to financial freedom and personal growth. Thank you for being part of this journey, and remember, your hustle starts today. In 2025, the landscape of earning money from home has transformed dramatically, enabling countless people to break free from traditional income constraints. The strategies discussed earlier offer a practical introduction, empowering everyone to find what works best for them. The flexibility and potential of each method mean you can craft your own unique path toward financial independence. With creativity, resourcefulness, and a willingness to adapt, the everyday individual can tap into these opportunities. As you move forward, stay engaged, experiment with different hustles, and don't shy away from asking for help or guidance. Remember, every small step contributes to your larger goals, paving the way for a fulfilling and prosperous journey. Best of luck, and may your hustle thrive. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing your success stories unfold.